What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Prince Charming. Whenever I'm in Slidell, Louisiana, I make it my business to stop by Cajun Blazing Wings. The wings are always fresh, made to order, and delicious. Now, I ain't gonna lie, their chicken strips are better than Popeyes. But not only do they specialize in chicken, they also have many other menu options as well, like burgers, sandwiches, seafood platters, desserts, and more. Moonwalk, moonwalk, moonwalk with it. But back to these wings though. MJ with it, 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 MJ with it. Spicy. To salute the soldiers. Illa Jean made me love a man out of told her. 10 out of 10, LPC approved. Wings so good, made me wanna get it. Michael Jackson 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 get it. Gotta wash it all down with Torres house punch. Michael Jackson bad. So with all that said, next time you in Slidell, Louisiana,
come get it at Cajun Blazing Wings.
And tell TT Tory LPC sent you. I'm out.